In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a record in Cloudflare. If you're managing a website and need to add or update your DNS records, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process, step by step, so by the end, you'll have all the know-how you need to successfully update your DNS settings using Cloudflare. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, select the domain for which you want to add a record. This is important because each domain managed in Cloudflare has its own set of DNS records. After you've selected your domain, navigate to the DNS tab. This is where you will see all the current DNS records associated with your domain. Next, you'll want to click on the Add Record button. By doing so, a form will appear, and this is where you will define all the necessary details of the new record you want to create. Think of this form as your setup station for defining exactly how this new DNS record should function. Now, it's time to choose the type of record you need to add. Cloudflare supports various record types such as AAAA, CNAME, TXT, MX, NS, and CAA, among others. Each type serves a different purpose. For instance, an A record points your domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address, while a CNAME is used to alias one name to another. Once you've selected the type of record you want, you'll need to fill out a few required fields. First is the name field, which is where you define the subdomain or host. This could be something like www for your website, mail for an email server, or the @ symbol to indicate the root domain. Next, there's the content field. Here, you'll enter the IP address if you're working with an A or keep AA record, a domain target for a CNAME record, or a value string for TXT and other records. Don't forget the TTL, or time to live, which dictates how long the record is cached. Sticking with the default auto setting is generally fine unless you have specific needs. If your record is an A to A or CNAME record, you'll also need to decide on the proxy status. You can choose Proxied, which enables Cloudflare's caching and security features, represented by an orange cloud. Alternatively, DNS only bypasses these features, shown by a gray cloud. Finally, when you're finished filling out the form, click Save or Add Record to complete the process. Cloudflare will then update your DNS records, and you'll see the new record displayed in your list. There you have it. Your new DNS record is now live and configured according to your requirements. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you can confidently manage your DNS settings in Cloudflare.